The Province of Jurisprudence Determined. John Austin's Legal Positivism. Overview. Published in 1832. Foundational text in legal philosophy and legal positivism. Defines the scope of jurisprudence. Definition of law. A rule laid down for the guidance of an intelligent being by another intelligent being having power over him. Law is a command issued by a sovereign backed by a sanction. Austin's notion of sovereign. If a determinate human superior not in the habit of obedience to a like superior receives habitual obedience from the bulk of a given society, that determinate superior is sovereign in that society. Sovereignty and command. Sovereignty. Authority habitually obeyed by the majority. Sovereign's power is unlimited and indivisible. Sovereigns do not obey any other earthly authority. Sovereign is not bound by any legal limitation or by his own laws. Legal positivism. Law is a social construct, analyzed independently of moral considerations. Focus on what law is, not what it ought to be. Law set by political superiors over political inferiors. Every law is a command, imposing a duty, enforced by sanction. Types of law. Positive law, set by political superiors. Positive morality, rules of conduct imposed by social opinion. Divine law, commands from a divine being. The three kinds of law. Declaratory/explanatory laws. Laws of repeal. Laws of imperfect obligation, no sanctions attached. Sanctions and legal obligations. Sanction is an evil which an individual is subjected to in case of disobedience. Legal obligations are enforced by sanctions. Sanctions distinguish legal obligations from social rules. Social rules are obligations not supported by sanctions. Impact and legacy. Foundation for modern legal positivism. Influence on legal theory development. Framework for analyzing law independently from morality. Austin's notion of sovereignty is falsified by federal constitutions. Modern welfare states confer benefits which bind the state rather than the individual. Austin's concept of law is inapplicable to a modern democratic welfare state. Conclusion. The Province of Jurisprudence Determined clarifies jurisprudence boundaries, establishes law as a distinct social institution, continues to influence legal scholars and philosophers,